Good morning, my dear friends. So, today I am going to speak regarding Ayur Homeo. So, many are asking what is Ayur Homeo? Ayur, the first word will sympathize about Ayurveda, and second part is homeopathy. So, it's an hybridization of Ayurveda and homeopathy. Just for example, uh, for an patient of hypertension, you take a patient of hypertension, so you have to reduce the BP, one thing. You have to reduce the cholesterol, second thing. You have to energize the heart, third thing. So you have to increase the absorption, assimilation, or what you have to increase the appetite or manage the liver conditions. So there should be detoxification. By all these methods, if you are giving the medicine to the patient, slowly and gradually, the patient will come out of the hypertension. So we are treating the what you call the proper etiology rather than simply going and blocking the receptor blocker. Nor that means that each and every day we have to give the receptor blockers. So what it's more prevalent in this system of medicine is that, so adopting the principles of Ayurveda, adopting the methodology of homeopathy, we are infusing the alcohol with certain drugs. Just for example, you know that Sarpagandha has the antipyretic action, but when it is been simply taken, reserpine is only taken, it gives side effect. As such, you are putting the raw drugs to the infusion to the alcohol along with the Arjuna, along with Pata, along with Prabhakaravati and many such drugs. So what it makes means it will reduce the peripheral resistance. It will reduce the cholesterol level. It will stimulate the liver. So hepatic stimulation will be there. So you will be adding Kiratamula, Bhumiyamulaki. What will happen? The stimulation of liver and everything. When the process of the body get changed or it is starts regenerating, the problems which we are facing, that could be diabetes, that could be hypertension, so that will be reduced to a greater extent, such that they can live without any medicines also by following proper Dinacharya and Rutucharya. So this is the concept by which I have developed the Ayur Homeo. And Ayur Homeo, as I told you, it's very cheap medicine, because see, if you give in medicine, kashayam, a tablet, that, this and everything, it will cost you more money. So it will be very it will not be convincible, or it is not very easy to acquire. So henceforth, the medicine which is easily affordable to the patient will have gain more importance in a further duration of time. So what we made is that we infuse the drugs into the alcohol. That is, we prepare the alcohol according to the classical preparation, and we infuse it, and from that we give 3 drops along with mixed with water, shake it for 10 times, and we ask the patient to drink. So what will happen? So it will give an immense multiple benefit. Need not to carry big container, big kashayas and all. It's very small, 10 ml dropper. So it will be sufficient for 1 month. The cost of the 10 ml, 50 ml dropper is around about 100 rupees, where it will be very easy for any patient to afford also. So it's very much effective and no possibility of side effect at all. So in the same way, you can adopt the same principle to painkiller in the MI patient, diabetes, so bone degeneration, pain management, okay, and nervous regeneration, stroke, GB syndrome, and all the condition you can use it. So even I have started class regarding that. First batch of Ayur Homeo is going on now, and the second batch maybe in a short duration we will be starting. So here what I mean to say in this group is, so we are teaching one more technique called as Marmam along with acupuncture. How to do acupuncture in Marma Sthana. So I have treating patient in the same way since 7 to 8 years of my experience, where I found very good results and instant results. So only I am thought of sharing the fogging of Ayur Homeo medicines into the meridians, and also acupuncture and Marmam. It's very hand in hand. It gives a a beautiful result in all the conditions. So it's a next advanced class. So basically I ask you to learn first Nadi, then Marmam, acupuncture, then coming to Ayur Homeo. So these are the sequence of steps where you can learn. Okay, thank you. I hope you all understood. Thank you for that.